What's going on, guys? This is Brian with Ninja Transfers, and today I'm going to show you how to place your DTF by size order in under 1 minute. So, you land on the Ninja Transfers homepage, and you'll find all of our DTF transfer options here. You're going to hit DTF transfers by size. And then once you land on the page, this upload box is where you will upload your design. And we accept any file types from PNG, JPEG, PDF, AI, whatever you got, we will print it. So here we go, we upload our design. We have our little ninja telling us how long it's gonna load. There it is. And then if you click or if you hover over each of these, we actually show you what it will look like on various garments. So that's always good to get an idea of what you are trying to apply it on. This design already has a removed background, so we don't even have to worry about clicking this remove background. And it's already high quality, so we don't even have that super res option that we give our customers to boost the quality of their transfers or their designs, just in case it's a little under 300 DPI, which is what we recommend for every design. So you have two options here: custom size, popular size. We like to stay with custom just because it gives us that precise placement. So let's just say we want to do 4, and you'll see here the height actually changes to keep it proportional. And then we can even add another size here. We'll get another big guy. We'll go 12 inches with the width, and you'll see that height changes as well. We'll add 30, because why not? And then you'll see, we get a little discount there because we went into that price tier, which is always a good thing. Who doesn't want lower prices? We'll add a little design note, and we'll get pre-cut, and then we'll proceed to checkout. And there you have it. I don't have a timer on me. I think that was really quick. And that's really all there is to it. DTF trans by size, upload your design, pick your size, hit pre-cut if you want, custom size, popular size, whatever you want, hit checkout. Easiest ordering option we have on the site. Go to ninjatransfers.com today and place your DTF by size order. And if you have any other questions about ordering or anything, just make sure to drop them in the comments.